Hello and welcome back to the tied-up world of science for fun. In this video, we will learn what is a physical quantity. Every object will have physical properties which can be measured using an instrument, or calculated from other measurements, and hence be quantified. For example, the mass of the ball can be measured using a balance, the distance the ball moved can be measured using a ruler, the time taken to cover the distance can be measured using a stopwatch, and the speed of the ball can be calculated as the distance traveled divided by the times taken. These quantifiable physical properties associated with an object are called physical quantities. What is the difference between the first three quantities, that is mass, distance, and time, from the last quantity speed? Can you try to figure out? The first three quantities were measured directly using the instruments, and are independent of each other. These are known as the fundamental physical quantities. However, speed was derived from the already known quantities, distance and time. Hence speed is a derived quantity. Here is a list of the 7 base quantities: time, distance, mass, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. All other quantities are derived quantities like area, volume, speed, velocity, and the list goes on. Each of the physical quantity will be expressed in terms of standardized values which are known as units. The two major unit systems that are used today are the System International, SI, or metric system, and the English system. The SI units of time, length, and mass are seconds, meters, and kilograms respectively. The number that you get from the measurement is called the magnitude of the quantity. Thus the mass of the ball may be given as 1 kilogram. Speed will have the unit of meters per second, as it is distance covered divided by the time taken. Similarly, area of a rectangle, which is the product of length times width, will have meter square as unit. Without standardized units it will be very difficult to communicate and share details about physical quantities to others. For example, imagine that you are in a foreign country and want to go to the park. You see a board that tells you that the park is 51 Nazca away. Would you be able to figure out whether you would be able to walk there, or would you have to take a cab? Mostly not, unless you know the relation between Nazca and miles, the unit that you are familiar with. Now you have to do unit conversion, which will be covered in next video. We hope you understood what physical quantities are. If you want to know more, keep coming back to the tied-up world of science for fun. And thank you for listening.